welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation. Today I'm really excited to be in the lobby of UUC Motorwerks in Cumming, Georgia. They've recently moved to a new location, and we are here to pick up some parts for a future project that we have planned. And I am here with Kate. And Kate, what we are going to do today is we are going to grab a short shifter kit for a project that we have coming up, and I'm hoping you can help us with that.
Absolutely, come on back.
Which kit are we purchasing?
So this is going to be specific to the E46M3.
Okay.
And it's a pretty quick build. Got everything ready for you, so we'll go ahead and get this started.
Awesome. Thank you for doing this for us.
Absolutely. So this is the shifter, and in here we have all of the components that actually go into the installation. So, and this kit includes what is called our ERK cup, which actually goes directly into the carrier.
Awesome.
And we've got all of the other essential components as well. Washers, grease, the essential Loctite, and everything else is included.
Awesome. So we're good to go, and it was just that easy.
It is that easy. I'll go ahead and get a box set for you.
Well, thank you, Kate. I appreciate your time.
Not a problem. Thank you.
So you didn't think we were going to come all this way and not show you the rest of the place. If you want to see some cool or rare BMWs, folks, it doesn't get any better than behind me right here. We've got an E28 M5. We've got an E30 M3 race car. We've got a 98 M Coupe finished in Estoral blue. And then we have a very cool 76 2002 that is a combination of UUC and Ireland engineering parts. Truly some unique rides. So here we are in the back of the shop, and we've got a very nice Inca Orange 2002. And then behind me right here, we've got a E30 finished in Hennerod. Of course, the venerable M3, one of 181 in that color. We've got a beautiful blue 2002 right here, and we've got another Hennerod E30 right here to my left. And lastly, we've got a very clean, classic 2800, finished in green, complete with its wood Nardi steering wheel, and certainly not something that you see every day. So thanks for joining us on this trip to UUC Motorwerks. We purchased the short shifter for a future project. We're not done here, and we're certainly going to come back for additional parts. We hope that you join us. We hope that you come along for the ride. We hope that you enjoyed this video today. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to join our nation. Thanks for joining us.